Hi, my friend, Rhonda K here, and I want to share with you a simple way to get a cash bonus when opening a bank account. So I'm not sure if you're familiar, so I just want to give you a little background information. There are financial institutions and companies in general that have referral bonus programs or refer a friend. And what they're doing is they want to encourage their customers to tell other people about their products and services. And when their customers do that, they give you a cash bonus. So SoFi is a financial institution that will do that. So what I'm talking to you about today, here is SoFi. This is their page. What I'm talking to you about today is their checking and savings, where you can get $75 and you can get $25. And let me just share with you how that works. I don't want to jump ahead of myself. So basically, you're opening a new bank account, okay? There's a simple bonus that you may qualify for. And I say may is because you have to be a new SoFi customer. So SoFi's referral program, it rewards new customers. What you're going to do is you're going to click my referral link. You're going to open a new checking account, and you're going to fund it with $50 from your debit card. And when you do that, and you are a new SoFi customer, SoFi will add $25 to your bank account, and they will add $75 to my bank account. See how that works? Or if someone else is referring you, they'll add $25 to yours, SoFi will, and SoFi will add $75 to that person. So no one is paying anyone. It's the company that's paying you the cash bonus, which is so exciting. Now, once you do that, and let's say that you want to refer some of your family or friends or colleagues, or you may even have a following online, and you may want to share this with them. Well, when you do that, when you refer and they do the same thing, they add $50 with their debit card, SoFi will add $25 to their account, and SoFi will add $75 to your account. Isn't that a sweet thing? Yes. So let me share with you what the next step is, okay? And just being very transparent, if you're going to use my referral link, I will receive $75, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do is there's a link in my bio or in the video description, and you can come here and click on bank and debit card referral programs. And you're going to come to this page, and I just put this together just so you can watch this video. It's just 3 minutes, and then follow the steps. I'm sure that you're going to do well because we all know how to create a checking account. The thing about this is it is a real checking account, and I know we are accustomed to having more than one checking account, but you want to make sure that your information matches, like your addresses and things of that nature, because if not, it may take longer. But if you have everything that's matching and syncing up when you go to create this, this can essentially be instant $25 in your account, okay? And then when you go to refer, it could be an instant $75 to your account. All right, so you'll just click here and you'll come and watch, and then once you have followed the instructions, you click SoFi, click here, and it's going to take you back here and where it says Rhonda wants to get, Rhonda wants you to get up to 325 and so forth and so forth. Okay, so this concludes the video. It's a simple way for you to get a cash bonus by opening a bank account. All right, so click the link. Check it out. Many blessings.